There's one car that I would consider buying today, and it would be this one right here. It's a 2023 911S. Gray with this red interior. Check this interior out. Yeah, so it's the new body style 992. This is the S, but it's got a stick in it. How cool is that? And my favorite part is it has a factory gloss black wing on the back that really ties into the rest of the car. So it's got gloss black accents all around, got the power sunroof, but check this wing out. That's a special $6,000 option that comes with this car also. So this car is for sale. It is a Carrera S, even though it doesn't say S on the back. But this is my new favorite Porsche. This is a driver car right here. 911S stick with an arrow. Done.